In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Zapier for seamless automation. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and ensure that their form responses are easily managed and organized. To begin, you'll want to log into your Typeform account. If you haven't already, create your form by selecting your desired template or starting from scratch. Once your form is crafted to your liking, make sure to publish it. This is important because your form needs to be live and capable of receiving responses for Zapier to access it. Next, we'll head over to Zapier. If you're new to this platform, you'll need to sign up. Otherwise, go ahead and log in. Once you're in, you'll see the option to create a new automation workflow known on Zapier as a Zap. Click on Create Zap to start. With Zapier open and ready, we'll set up Typeform as the trigger for our Zap. In the Trigger app field, type in Typeform and select it from the drop-down menu. Your trigger event will be New Entry. This means the Zap will activate whenever someone submits your form. You'll need to connect your Typeform account to Zapier at this point. Click on Connect a New Account, log in with your Typeform credentials, and be sure to grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your account. Once connected, select the specific form that you want Zapier to monitor. As a best practice, use the test trigger feature to ensure that Zapier can effectively pull in sample data, which will help with the setup of the action step later. Now let's decide what happens to each response through this Zap. There's a myriad of integrations to choose from, whether it's Google Sheets to log your entries as new rows, Slack to send submissions to a team channel, registers on Zoom for meetings, or even creating new pages in Notion. For this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process using Google Sheets. Start by selecting Google Sheets in the Action app field. Choose Create Spreadsheet row as the action event. You'll need to connect your Google account by following the prompts. Once connected, it's time to map your Typeform responses to the columns in your spreadsheet. For instance, you might connect a name field in Typeform to column A in Google Sheets and an email field to column B. This step ensures that your data is organized correctly in your sheet. After mapping, test the action to confirm that everything flows as expected. Finally, don't forget to turn on your Zap, starting with naming it. Something straightforward like Typeform, Google Sheets. Publish your Zap, and voila. Every new submission from your Typeform will automatically appear as a new row in your spreadsheet. Enjoy the efficiency and the time-saving benefits of this automation.